Melbourne Market Authority, MMA for short, is the Victorian wholesale fruit and veg and flower market. Here, the traders, buyers, sellers, growers all come together, and this is where they trade, do their business while we're all asleep of a night. We had several systems, 2 financial systems and also several operational systems that didn't really talk to each other, and it resulted in tenants getting one invoice for their rent and another invoice for all the other costs. It was very frustrating. The reconciliations of 2 bank accounts, you were invoicing from 2 different systems.
The expertise that was required couldn't be implemented in-house. Cattle Dog were able to come in and assist us in our transformation piece that no one in-house could do.
The process took 4 to 6 months all up. Initially we implemented Salesforce, and then within about a 4 to 6 week turnaround, we then implemented FinancialForce. It's wonderful that Salesforce and FinancialForce are a seamless implementation. They were the best mix and match for us.
There is quite a lot of data that we hold here. That data is key for our customers. It is key for us to better understand our needs. We've been able to utilise our data mining tasks and bring about efficiencies in our workflows and streams. We have managed to look at different areas of our processes and streamline what needs to be done.
The results today have been very exciting. Customers have had their first digital statements. The banking statements are now uploaded. Through our work orders, we can now create our accounts payable invoices automatically from the operational work order, and therefore it's reducing manual input and human error.
The staff at the Melbourne Market Authority have been thrilled with the way that Cattle Dog and Salesforce has enabled them to remove 5 or so different software solutions that we had into the one package. Basically, they can log in to do what they need to do in that one spot. Cattle Dog team have been wonderful to work with. They are always available whenever we need to call them.
Using new systems for the first time is always very scary. We were just very fortunate that Cattle Dog and Joe were so supportive and always there to hold our hand and make sure that the process went smoothly. Going forward, the digital transformation will be a big change for the MMA. It will also help us be better to our customers and give them a better service.
The Melbourne Market Authority is a wonderful place that has a state-of-the-art facility, and now we have a state-of-the-art software solution that goes along with that.